好啦，2021年第一條啦。咁有個150W嘅 heater 啦，keep warm 係啊，keep the water in a large beaker boiling，keep boiling in 呢個 standard atmospheric pressure 啦。呢個唔重要嘅。咁好啦，5分鐘16g 嘅水 boil away。咁就問你個 specific latency of vaporization 啦。嚟啦。咁 energy 我哋入咗幾多入去咧？就 E 等於 PT，所以就150乘翻5分鐘啦，所以乘翻60秒。撳咗呢一 part 先，我哋150乘5乘60，計到45000 Joule 嘅。好啦，咁另外咧揾 latent heat 啊嘛 ，E 等於 MLV，mass 幾多？16g，記得除翻1000啦，乘翻 LV，咁呢個就係你個45000啦，左邊。除16乘翻1000，計到啦。咁所以咧，你個 latent heat 咧就係2.81乘10嘅6次。單位咧 J Kg-1。所以 specific latent heat 等於2.81乘10嘅6次 J Kg-1。搞掂啦。好，下一個。有個學生咧就掉咗一個 small metal sphere in the boiling water 啦。幾分鐘之後，個 sphere 咧 is quickly transferred to a polystyrene cup containing 100g 嘅水。即係你而家去掉咗個波落個熱水度啊，滾水度啊，跟住再掉去一個發泡膠杯度。跟住啲溫度啊，啲 heat 啊就 stir gently 啦。最高溫咧就22度，即係咧你個杯水咧就升咗2度啦。叫你揾個 heat cap C 啦。嚟啦。所以你而家個溫度咧，你個波個溫度咧，個 sphere 咧就100度嚟嘅。好啊，所以咧 C delta T 等於 MC delta T。你而家咧係個 metal 100度，一嘢飛落去22度嗰度。跟住咧，你有杯水由20度上咗22度。好啦，即係 energy loss 定 energy gain 嘅啫。所以 C 咧，我會 keep 住寫 C。我 delta T 咧就100減22，呢個個 metal 嗰邊嚟嘅。好啊，到水咧就0.1 kg 啦，因為100g 喎，乘翻4200。個 delta T 咧就22減20，我哋就揾到個 C 係幾多噶啦。計到啦，個 C 係10.8 J 到 C-1。搞掂啦。好啦 ，in fact，the sphere 有啲 carry some water， 係啦 ，carry 咗少少滾水入去嘅。所以咧，你個 true value of C 應該係點樣嘅咧？我哋咧而家又幻想下啦。其實咧，你而家呢度咧100度呢個咧係仲有100度嘅水喺裏面嘅，所以你下面呢度嘅 energy gain 咧有部分係來自熱水嘅 hot water 俾佢嘅水嘅 energy 嚟嘅。OK，所以個 true energy 咧應該低啲嘅。所以你個 actual C 會大啲定細啲咧？就應該會細啲嘅。係啦，應該要細啲嘅。Since some energy transferred to water in the cup in polystyrene cup is actually from the boiling water。係啦，所以咧係 so the actual energy carried by the ball is smaller. So true value of C is also lower。搞掂啦。